listen up, I got a tale to tell about an email that hit like a digital bombshell. Greetings, it started, got me feeling kinda wild. Said I was one of a kind, hacker style. Seen a lot in his career, now he's impressed. Straight to the point, he put me to the test. Months ago, hacked my OS with an S. Full access to my accounts, I confess. Blackmailing got me trapped in his plan. Demanded Bitcoin ransom, trying to take a stand. $1,280 or he'll expose me. So you gotta pay up quick or the whole world sees. Please. Password from the past. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Poofy's got the goods, caught me in the mix. Lodger on my keys, internet activities, liberties, webcam streams. He's got all the imagery. Frequent visits to sites of dope memes. Infected by malware like a bad dream scheme. Under his microscope, days like a bug. But no bug in the world loves perv porn. He shrugged. Saw everything on the screen, recorded streams. Stored them all safe with backup schemes. Emails, chat logs, all confidential. This antivirus failed, it's kinda detrimental. Sentimental. Blackmailing got me trapped in his plan. Demanded Bitcoin ransom, trying to take a stand. $1,280 or he'll expose me. Gotta pay up quick or the whole world sees. Please, developers don't care, turned into shit. Hackers like him took advantage of it. Fresh knowledge, he said, don't need a thanks. Serious about security, raise the ranks. Let's cut to the chase, here's the deal. Video compilation, made it real. Left side me, right side the scene. Masturbate happily, it's obscene. 48 hours till he sends it out. To all my contacts, no doubt. Emails, chats, all made public. So what this is catastrophic. His Bitcoin address, gotta send it there. Swear. Once he gets it, he'll disappear. Swear. 48 hours, clock's ticking fast. No fooling him, this deal's gotta last. Share this message, he'll strike real quick. Slick. Send my power to make it slick. Click. P.S. He signed